How to mark Instagram story as unseen. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, on Instagram, there is no way or feature to unseen a story if you have already seen it. However, luckily, there's a solution that allows you to prevent that from the first place. Say, for example, I want to see this story right here without being seen. I want to see it and mark it as unseen. How can I do that? So, what you need to do is you need to open up any browser you have, and once you do that, search for Instagram Story Viewer. You'll find a bunch of websites, but they basically all do the same job and work the same way. So click on any one of them. And essentially here you need to enter the username or the profile of the person that you want to see their story. So and once you do that, the profile will pop up right here, where we will be able to see the story of this person. If we scroll down right here, this is the story that you want to see. You can see it here. As you can see, uh, and you won't have to see it on Instagram and unsee it later after that. So you just need to see it on that site, and that pretty much solve your problem. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unseen story on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.